Good morning students and welcome back to my digital classroom once again. How are you all? I think you all are quite well and completing your homework regularly. Okay. Today I am going to discuss about quadrilaterals, its types and properties. Okay. Let's see. What is quadrilateral? A simple closed curve figure made by four line segment is called quadrilateral. Or we can answer is another way also. A polygon. A polygon which is made by four line segment, a convex polygon which is made by four line segment is called a quadrilateral. Understood? Now, what are the different types of quadrilateral? We can come to know. I will show you quadrilateral trees. From this, you can come to know how many types of quadrilaterals are there. Okay. Depending on the number of parallel sides, quadrilateral basically divided into three categories. These are like this: when two parallel lines are there, when two pairs of parallel lines are there, when no parallel lines are there. Okay, so parallel line or parallel side, whatever you say. So when two parallel lines is there, this is the shape of the object, and this is called trapezoid or trapezium. Both are same. In Greek action it is trapezoid, in British action it is trapezium. So in case of trapezium, only one pair opposite sides are parallel. Okay, opposite angles also not equal. I will give you all properties in trapezium later on. So this is the trapezium. But when these two are called the non-parallel, when the non-parallel side of the trapezium are equal, then this figure is called isosceles trapezium. Okay, this is simple trapezium. One pair of opposite sides are parallel and these two sides are non-parallel, but when these non-parallel sides are equal, then it is called isosceles trapezium. Now next is when two pairs of parallel lines. Okay, in this figure you see this parallel to this and this parallel to this, then hence this figure is a parallelogram. When two pair of opposites are parallel, it is a parallelogram. But from the parallelogram, a parallelogram will be a rectangle when one angle is 90 degree. Okay, then it will be a rectangle. So in case of rectangle, all properties of parallelogram is there, side by side one additional quality, that's 90 degree. So in case of rhombus, my parallelogram will be rhombus when its adjacent sides are equal. So in rhombus, parallelogram's properties are there, additional properties, adjacent sides are equal. That means this and this equal, this and this equal, this and this equal, this and this equal. Okay. Now square. How will you define a square? A rectangle will be a square when its adjacent sides are equal. Because in case of rectangle, adjacent sides are not equal. So in square, rectangle's property is there. When one pair adjacent side or adjacent sides are equal, then it will be a square. Or from rhombus, I can say a rhombus will be a square when one angle is 90 degree. That means in case of square, rhombus property is there, but additional property is one angle is 90 degree, that rhombus will be a square. Clear? Now, when no parallel lines are there, this figure is called kite. Okay, but two pair adjacent sides are this and these are equal, this or this equal. None of the opposite angles are not equal. Clear? Only this opposite angle are equal. Diagonals are not equal, but perpendicular to each other, and one diagonal is bisected. Clear? One diagonal is bisected. So I will give you details about each figure. Let's see. First is quadrilateral. It is a convex polygon made by four line segment, and four line segment total interior angle is 360 degree. Now if we draw the diagonals will not be equal. So this is the basic quality of quadrilateral. Now from the quadrilateral, I am getting the first figure is kite, where none of the sides are parallel. Okay, but two adjacent sides, this and this are equal, this and this equal. Diagonals are unequal but bisected, and one diagonal but intersected perpendicularly, and one diagonal is bisected. Okay, what are the properties are here? Made by four line segment, sum of interior angle is 360 degree, non-parallel sides, none of the sides are parallel, diagonals unequal, diagonals are perpendicular to each other, one diagonal bisected, two pair adjacent sides are equal. and this angle also. This angle equal to this angle, but this angle not equal to this angle. One pair opposite angle will be equal only. Okay. Now next, trapezoid or trapezium. A quadrilateral when one pair opposite side parallel. This parallel to this. Okay. And these are non-parallel side of the trapezium. Okay. Then figure is called trapezium. That quadrilateral is called trapezium. Okay. So what are the salient features? Made by 4 line segment. Sum of 4 angle is 360 degree. One pair opposite sides are parallel. These two are parallel. And opposite angles are unequal. This not equal to this. This not equal to this. Okay. Diagonal. If I draw the diagonal will also be not equal. This figure is the trapezoid. But isosceles trapezium, little bit different. So it is also made by 4 line segment. Sum of interior angle is 360 degree. One pair opposite side parallel and non-parallel sides are equal. Non-parallel sides are equal. These two are equal. Okay? Diagonals will be equal. Okay? Diagonals will be equal, and these two lines are parallel. So these two are called what? Adjacent angle. Adjacent angle are supplementary. These two adjacent angle are supplementary. In case of trapezium also, these two are parallel. So these two angle are the angles between the two parallel lines are called what? Co-interior angle, and co-interior angle will be supplementary. That means if we add together, these two angle will be 180 degree. This two angle also 180, but these two angle will not be 180 degree. So angles between the parallel lines will be supplementary. Okay. Next figure is parallelogram. When two pair of opposite sides are parallel, this parallel to this, a quadrilateral whose two pair of opposite sides parallel. Okay, this parallel to this parallel to this. So this is the parallelogram. What are the features? Made by 4 line segment. Sum of 4 angle is 360 degree. Opposite angles are equal. The difference from trapezium. This angle will be equal to this angle, and this angle will be equal to this angle. Opposite angles are equal. Diagonals unequal but bisected. Diagonals unequal but bisected each other. This is a parallelogram. From parallelogram, rectangle is derived. So in rectangle, all properties will be there. Additional property is one angle is 90 degree. If one angle is 90 degree, that parallelogram must be this shaped, and all angles will be 90 degree. What are the features? Made by 4 line segments. Sum of 4 angle is 360 degree. All angles will be 90 degree each. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. This side equal and parallel. This side equal and to this side and parallel. Diagonals equal but and bisected. Here diagonals unequal but bisected. Here diagonals equal and bisected. Remember it. You have to memorize this property, properties of the figure, each figure nicely. Otherwise, you cannot solve any question from your exercise, because all the questions given in your exercise based on the properties of quadrilateral only. So you have to memorize. Not only for this class, it will help you class 9, 10, wherever you are going. Okay. The next property, next figure is rhombus. Rhombus. A parallelogram will be a rhombus when adjacent sides are equal. That means this side equal to this side equal to this side will be equal to this side. And in this rhombus, what happened? Diagonals are not equal but bisected and perpendicularly. Opposite angles are equal. Okay, diagonals unequal, bisected each other perpendicular. That means here it will be 90 degree. It will form a 90 degree at the intersection point. Okay, when one angle 90 degree means all 4 angles at the crossing point will be 90 degree. Here, what are the salient features? Made by 4 line segment. Sum of 4 angle is 360 degree. All sides are equal. Opposite sides are parallel equal. Opposite angles are equal. Adjacent angles are supplementary. Since these two are parallel line, so this angle. Okay, adjacent all this also parallel lines. So this angle. Adjacent angles of parallelogram and rhombus are supplementary. Clear? Now next is square. Okay, square. A rhombus will be a square when its adjacent, when its one angle is 90 degree. Okay, that means in square all properties of rhombus is there. Okay, what are the features? Made by 4 line segment. Sum of 4 angle is 360 degree. All angles are 90 degree. Adjacent angles are supplementary. All sides are equal in measure. Diagonals are equal bisect each other and also perpendicular. Clear? So these are the properties. Remember, a square is also a rhombus, a square is also a rectangle, a square is also a parallelogram, a square is also a trapezium, a square is also a what? Quadrilateral. Clear? Square at the end. You have to memorize all the properties of this figure, quadrilateral, basic 8 figures. Clear? Now, I like to solve some problem which is based on polynomial only. In our last class, it was too long, that's why I could not cover those questions. So today I thought, since the lesson is very short, today I thought I will solve it. This basically this question are based on polynomials property, exterior and interior angle. Okay, exterior angle of any convex polygon is fixed, that is 360 degree. Interior angle will be increasing when its number of side increases. Okay, on that basis of this is generally based on. So in the first question, you see it is a quadrilateral, 4 angles. Out of the 4 angles, 3 angles are marked, but one angle is not given, it is x. You have to find out the value of x. How? So sum of quadrilateral, interior angle of quadrilateral is 360 degree. Okay, why 360 degree? If you ask in your mind, why 360 degree? Because what is the total angle formula of interior angle formula of polygon? N minus 2 into 180 degree. N means side. So 4 minus 2 is 2 into 180 degree. 180 degree is the 360 degree. Okay. Now I will perform this. X plus 120 plus 130 plus 50 equals to 360 degree, or x is equal to 300, x plus 300 equals to 360 degree, or x is equal to 360 degree minus 300, that is 60 degree. So here the missing angle x, its value is 60 degree. Now next figure, it is what? It is also quadrilateral. 2 angles are marked, 1 angle is missing, but this angle is not mentioned. So at a time, 2 missing angles should not be there. You have to do something. The hint is given, outside angle is 90 degree. So when outside this angle is 90 degree, that means one inside angle must be 90 degree. When a line outside angle 90 degree means what? When a line perpendicular to each other, okay, then both sides will be a 90 degree. So this angle will be 90 degree. We have to mark as A, B, C, D or 1, 2. Now the figure is complete. I will find out. This is A is the 90 degree. So this plus this plus this plus this equals to 360 degree. Okay, A is equal to 90 degree. Since exterior angle is 90 degree, the interior angle must be 90 degree. Now A plus X plus 70 plus 60 equals to 360 degree. Since quadrilateral, now 90 plus X plus 130 equal to 360 degree, or X is equal to 360 minus 130 minus 90. Clear? So after subtraction, I am getting what? X equals to 140 degree. So here x refers to 140 degree. Clear? Now next figure, it is a pentagon. So vertex angle is 30 degree, side angle both are equal x, and outside angle is given, but this 2 inside angle is not mentioned. I told you only one missing angle may be there. Okay, but when more than one, some sort of calculation we have to do. When outside angle is there, then and then I can find out the inside angle. Outside and inside always will form linear pair. So it is 70, then 180 minus 70 is 110. It is 60, 180 minus 60 is 120. So we have to mark these 2 missing angle as a number or alphabet. Let this angle be A, this angle will be B. Now you complete your task. So A angle will be 180 minus 70, that is 110. B angle will be 180 minus 60, that is 120. And it is a pentagon. What will be the total interior angle? N minus 2 into 180 degree, that is 5 minus 2 into 183 into 180, this is 540 degree. So interior angle of a pentagon is 540 degree. Now you apply it. A plus B plus X plus X plus 30 equals to 540 degree. Clear? Or A is the 110, B is the 120, x 2x plus 30 equals to 140, or 2x is equal to 540 minus 110 minus 120 minus 30. So 2x will do 540 minus 260 equals to, or 2x equals to 280, x equals 280 by 2, 140 degree. So here each x refers to 140 degree angle. Clear? Now another is angle. So in all cases exterior angle is missing. So easily I can find out. So x will be 180 minus 120, interior exterior always linear pair. 180 minus 120, it will be what? it will be 60 degree. Y plus 80, 180 degree, or y is equal to 100. Z plus 60 will be 180 degree, or Z is equal to 180 minus 60 is 120 degree. Okay. After getting this, x plus y plus z plus w will be 360 degree, because exterior angle of the polygon is 360 degree. Okay, now follow it. X plus 120 degree equals to 180 degree linear pair, x equals to 60 degree. Now y plus 80 is equal to 180 degree, y is equal to 180 minus 80, y is equal to 100 degree. Linear pair. Z also, z plus 60 is equal to 180 degree, z is equal to 180 degree minus 60, that is z is equal to 120 degree. Now x plus y plus z plus w is 360 degree, exterior angle property of convex polygon. Clear? Now after putting the value of each, we are getting w plus 280 is equal to 360, or w is equal to 360 minus 280, or w is equal to 80 degree angle only. Clear? So these are the question. Now one more question. So it is also all exterior angles are mentioned, one is missing. So straight we will add x plus 90 plus 50 plus 110 will be equals to 360 degree, exterior angle of a convex polygon. So apply it. This is exterior angle property. So x plus 250 is equal to 360, x is equal to 360 minus 250 equals to 110. Here the value of x is 110. Now next is, the figure is a pentagon. Okay, here x missing angle is the x, but outside angle 60, 90, 70, but it is not mentioned, but inside is mentioned. So inside and outside, if inside is 90 degree, outside must be 90 degree. So this outside angle must be marked as 1. So first you have to find out what is the 1. 1 will be 90 degree. Now then 90 plus 60 plus 90 plus 70 plus x will be 360 degree, because exterior angle of any polygon, a convex polygon, will be 360 degree. Calculation, this is a 90. Now 1 plus 60 plus 90 plus 70 plus x is 360 degree, exterior angle property. So now after adding all this x, 360 degree, or x plus 310 equals to 360, or x equal to 360 minus 310, 50 degree. So here value of x is 50 degree. Clear? Now I am giving some homework. These are all question, whatever I have solved, all questions are from your textbook. So it will be very good to you. You can solve it from your textbook question also, and whatever the question I have not touched, you can solve that one also, depending on the same features. So it is also a convex polygon. Outside angle is missing. You have to find out x, y, z. What is the value of x, y, z? So it is a regular convex polygon. Each side is equal, and each angle also equal. You have to find out the x, and you have to memorize this all the properties that have given today. Otherwise, I am telling you, Saturday we will have a class. On Saturday, only some question related to what quadrilateral missing angle I will solve, and different type of diagonal related question, then adjacent angle related question we have to solve. But before that, if you are not memorizing the properties of each and every quadrilateral, it will be very difficult for you. Okay, so no more today. We'll be back on Saturday again. Till then, bye bye students.